Oh shoot, it looks very nice. Check it out. Ayan guys, welcome back to another vlog. So malapit na mag 1 year sa akin itong sasakyan na to, my Vios. And I decided to get it something nice. So yan, I bought a set of side skirts for the car. So second hand lang naman to nabili ko. Kaya ganyan. Kaya wala po siya sa ilalim. Kaya iba yung kulay. So what I did was I took the car to the shop right here, malapit lang sa amin, and ayun, ipapa-body color natin yung side skirts. So that's the left side, ito yung right side, and yun nga, second hand lang naman yung nabili kong side skirt. So ayun, meron siya mga scratches and all that, but the main thing there is that iba yung kulay. So syempre ang hirap makatulog kung ganyan yung itsura ng kotse, magkakaiba yung kulay. So ayan, we're having it sorted out today, and ito yung shop. Mukha naman siyang malinis, and mukha namang ayos silang gumawa. So ayan, there's this Pajero right here which is super kinis. I think this one's being restored. So ayan, so they're just checking the color out. What's going to happen is, since lagi kong gamit yung sasakyan, they're just going to take off the side skirts. Iiwanan ko siya dito, tapos hopefully bukas daw okay na rin siya. And for reference, what they're going to be doing is they're going to be taking this off para may pagkagayahan yung paint. So ayan. So the other shops that I went to, they were suggesting na iiwanan ko yung sasakyan tapos hindi nakakalasin, pipintahan na lang. Pero hindi kasi magkakaigi sa akin kasi yung nga, lagi kong dala yung sasakyan. So yun, madali lang. Madali lang palang tanggalin yung ano yung cap. Ayun, oo nga. Ayan pala. Ayan, so yun, tanggal mo na to. Wala tayong pagkagayahan mo. Opo, parehas lang naman. Ayan yan. Marami na wala kang garne. Oh, mahirap. Mag-iba. Ayan. So nilagyan ko pa siya ng silicone the other day kasi nga ako yung nagkabit ng side skirt. Dapat pala hindi ko na lang pinakaabalahan kasi papinturahan ko din naman pala today. A few days after getting it. So yan, iiwanan na natin siya dito, tapos hopefully bukas gawa na siya. Sige po. Okay, sige po, see you tomorrow. Alright, so it's the day after. Nag-message na yung painter telling me na ready na yung side skirts. So we are on our way to the shop to have it picked up. And yun, dito siya, dito naka position yung shop nila sa maliit na eskinita. This is just a shop dito sa Lipa. I'll update you guys once we're there, but I really have to say that I'm really excited to see the result. I'm excited to see how the side skirt is going to look on the car, with it being color matched with the rest of the vehicle. So yun, tara, let's go. We'll just take a left turn dito. We're near, just a few meters away. Actually, yun na yung shop eh. Yan, dyan. There you go. And dito na yung shop. Hindi ko nga lang natanong kung ano yung pangalan ng shop. Oh, there you go. It's DGM Car Care. Alright, pulling in to their driveway. And yan na. Let's go. Let's have it picked up. Yan na si sir. He's the guy who did the paint. So, morning. Ay, sige po. Oh my gosh, I think this is our side skirt. Wow! Oh my god! Super kinis! Alright, let's check it later. So yan na, my new side skirt being installed. Yan na. Alright.
Hindi mo na yung okay lang.
Laking gap na.
Malayo na po ng ano.
Si.
Yung aming gamit ito maganda.
Ayan, sige. Si Tikun. Tulak na nga kasi na konti.
At i-buo natin mamaya.
Aha. Ayan. Nilalagyan lang nila ng screw. Tapos okay na. Oo nga po eh.
Maganda sa Japa Kempo.
Kuhang-kuhang kulay ah.
Computer no? Kaya isip may gayahan no? Kata computer tapos walang gayahan na minsan na sa blipper no?
Computer ang nagtimpla.
Oo.
Ay, kaya pala.
Kaya medyo maluhang kulay nito.
Oo nga yun. Oh my god. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that right there. Okay, so now for the left side. Kakabit na rin nila. Ayan. So, nilagyan ko nga pala siya doon ng double-sided tape para mas maganda yung kapit. There you go. Ayun. Wow. Ayun. Ayun, sakto, sakto. So, the install is almost done. Kaya lang lalagyan nila dito ng yung parang sealant to fill in the gap. Kasi tinan mo, if you guys check, malaki yung gap dito. So, they're just going to be putting some sealant here para, yun nga, para maging buong buo yung itsura niya. Ayan. Check out the gap. It's pretty big. As soon as they put sealant, matatanggal na yung mga gap. So, yan. So yan, this right here is the device that they use. Ayan, so yan na yung sealant.
Mas matibay yung aray. Hindi pa ito nakakasira ng pintura.
Ayan.
Wala.
Ayun. Oo nga po. Ayun pala.
Pwede yung pinanamay ano, nagkakalat.
Oo nga po.
Dalawa lang yan. 4 yan, kasama rin. Ay, dahil lagyan pa ito, wag na. Ito na, yan lang.
Ayun. Okay.
Ganda mo lang kaya.
Yun. So yun, they're just pretty much going to be doing that on both sides. Tapos yun, tapos na. It's been a couple of days after the install, and now I am going to show you guys how the car looks. So ito na. So yan na yung itsura ng kotse, with the side skirt installed and with the paint matched with the rest of the vehicle. Yan. So first impression is that the shop did a good job paint matching the side skirt with the rest of the car. Talagang kuhang-kuha nila yung kulay. Sabi nila computerized daw yung naghalo nung paint. I would say na talagang kuhang-kuha talaga siya. Ayan. So ayun, again, shout out to the shop that did my paint. Ayan, oh. Looks very nice. Even the install, okay. Yung pagkakalagay ng sealant, acceptable, I would say. And the reason why I love this side skirt is because if you look closely, itong side skirt na to, nakasaklob siya dito, nakayakap siya dito sa pinaka running board ng sasakyan. So that would mean na yung side skirt hindi siya gagalaw-galaw, nakaganyan siya. Ito yung side skirt, so dito papunta dyan, tapos yun, nakayakap siya na ganyan, compared sa side skirt na galing dun sa G variant. Yung sa G variant na side skirt, ano siya, yung parang hanggang dito lang, tapos tuwid lang siya na ganyan. So what you would have to do is you would have to put a double-sided tape all the way through, and pag nag-wear out yung double-sided tape, so gagalaw-galaw siya. With this right here, hindi na kailangan masyado ng double-sided tape kasi ngayon nakayakap siya dito. So, ano siya, stable siya. Kahit uga-ugain mo siya, hindi siya hindi siya gumagalaw-galaw. Tapos yan, pag sarado na yung sasakyan, hindi nakita dito yung gap. Check it out. So yun, that's the reason why I like this style of side skirt. Kaya ito, nung nakita ko talaga siya sa Facebook Marketplace, I did not think twice. Pinili ko na kagad. So yun, second hand lang naman siya. So, but you know, even though second hand ko lang siya nabili, it turned out okay. Kasi nga, yun, napapintahan na. Mukha na uli siyang bago. So yun, there you go. Ayun, so I will be ending the video right here. Do all of the nice things, like, share, and subscribe. I will see you on the next video. Peace.